In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Buttonizer on your WordPress website or on your custom built website. So first, you start with entering your domain. After that, we're going to make an account for you. So then you put your name in. All right. And you're in. So here in this pop-up, you can see all of our pre-made templates, but for now I'm going to choose the start from scratch, because in another video I'm going to show you how to design the button. So click on publish, and there you have some options to integrate it on your website. If I forgot to install the code on my website, I can always go back to this pop-up and click on integrate Buttonizer. So here you can see to integrate it on a custom website. You just have to copy the code and insert in your footer. For WordPress, this is the second option. I'm going to show you how. So you have to install the headers and footer plugin and then paste this code into the plugin. So I'm going to head to the website, and then I'm going to click on a new plugin. This can be any plugin that you use that can insert script into the header. Normally this plugin is used to install Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, or Hotjar, that kind of software. But for now I'm going to go to settings, header and footer, and then go to the bottom and paste it in there. And then I'm going to go to show.buttonizer, and that's it. So now you can see how you install a button on your website. Good luck.